Welcome back everybody to Moneyfest World School. This is your top expert Moses, back again with a very interesting topic today. Today, we are going to look at what is P2P arbitrage and how can you use it to consistently make money from cryptocurrencies. I know many of you have heard about this, but nobody has ever showed you how to make money from crypto. So today, make sure you watch this video till the end and subscribe, like this video, and of course don't forget to comment. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. Alright, so let's try to define what is P2P arbitrage. Now this is so simple, all of you should be able to understand it. What we mean by P2P arbitrage, this is literally taking advantage of the difference in price of a certain asset. How does a difference price happen? When an asset is listed, let's say on one market and in a different market, these assets are listed for different prices. This can also happen in location. Where you are now, if you move, let's say from one place to another, and you go there, you'll find that one asset could cost one price and in another, it costs a different price. So that is the simple definition of P2P arbitrage. You just take the advantage of that small difference. All right, so let's look at what are the characteristics. What should you consider when you want to start dealing in P2P arbitrage? Now, this is so simple. With that, very simple. Make sure you are dealing on a decentralized exchange. Things like Binance, Bybit, or even any other, maybe Bitfinex. That is what we are talking about. The other thing is that always make sure there is a good margin, a good difference where you can make a profit. And also don't forget to count the fees, because whatever currency you're going to buy in always may charge some fees. Any form of payment you're going to use. Those are the principles you should follow. Now, let's look at what types of P2P arbitrage exist and which ones can you take advantage of. Now, this is so simple. There are 4 main types of P2P arbitrage. And by the way, you can use each of them to make money from crypto. Number 1, we have what we call cross-platform arbitrage. Now with cross-platform arbitrage, this is so simple. With this, all you need to do is to have 2 different platforms. Why only 2 actually? You can even have more. So you monitor different platforms. Let me give you an example. You look at Binance, you look at Bybit, or maybe Bitfinex or OKX. Monitor them and just take one asset, let's say Bitcoin, and monitor their prices. You'll find out that the price of Bitcoin is listed differently on all these platforms. And if you know business, if you want to make money, why not go and make use of that? You can buy Bitcoin on, let's say, Binance at a cheaper price and resell it on another platform at even a higher price. That is what we call cross-platform arbitrage. Now, we have a second type of arbitrage which is even also interesting. That is called geographical arbitrage. Here, what we mean is so simple. There are assets that are listed differently in different countries. Just think about Dubai. In Dubai, assets like Bitcoin, let's say Ethereum, they are bought a lot. Now, just think about it. If there is a lot of demand of that asset in that area, let's say Dubai, or even in the United States where today the US president wants to start buying Bitcoins, what happens to the price? Of course it goes higher. Now what do? You go to Dubai, you buy those assets. No, the opposite. You go to a different country, let's say South Africa, you buy those coins at a cheap price and go to Dubai and resell them. And there are many people who do that. So you can see that you make money off the difference. Why? Because in one geographical area, that asset costs a cheaper price, but you can resell it in a different geographical area at a higher price. I hope that is clear. All right, let's move on. Now, the other type is called time arbitrage. Here, you're not buying time. No, nobody can buy time. Time is always constant. But what can you buy? You can buy a coin and take advantage of the fluctuations in price within time. Just think about Bitcoin. You buy your Bitcoin right now, but you know that every single minute, the price of Bitcoin moves up and down. And why not take advantage of that? So you know it that it's going down, you buy it up there, and then you buy it down here if it's going up, and then you resell it just after an hour or two, a day, maybe 2 days, maybe a week. That is what is called time arbitrage. Some people call that trading. I hope you've heard about it, but that is literally time arbitrage. You are literally taking use of time. All right, so which other method? We have another method, and that is so simple. That is what we call currency arbitrage. Now, this is the most common, this is the most profitable, the easiest for everybody to start. That is what we teach here at Moneyfest World School. With currency arbitrage, you get to make a business, literally a business. On places like Bybit, so simple. You go and let's say create an ad. You want to buy Bitcoin. There is also a coin called USDT. You create your own price, a lower price for people to sell to you that coin, and then create another ad and resell that coin at a higher price. Do you see that you're literally somebody, let's say, let me give you an example. You're just like somebody in a shop. He buys products at a cheaper price from somebody else and creates an advert that I am selling these same products at a higher price. As easy as that. So I'm going to be giving you an example, a live example of currency arbitrage and how you can take advantage of it and how people are literally printing money with it. It is very interesting, very simple, and if you learn how to do it, you're going to print money. All right, now I'm going to show you how currency arbitrage shortly works, and it is what we teach here at Moneyfest World School. This is what people use to literally print money every single day in crypto. Watch carefully. Here, you'll see that people come here and buy a certain coin, for example, USDT, at a cheaper price. Just watch, look at this guy. He's buying this coin. You can see how much, when you see sell here, that means he wants you to sell your coin to him. And he's going to buy it from you at what price? 17.71. Let's see how much he's going to sell it. He is selling it at 20.26. A difference of around how much? Let's see, how much did he buy? 17.71 is selling at 20.26. A difference of like 2 rands. Now, how many times is he doing it? 575 times. Exchanging how much? This is just on 1 USDT. If you exchange, let's say 200 USDT, my dear, if you're making 2 rands on each, that makes it 200 rands on just exchanging 200 USDTs. How many times can you repeat this? 10, 20? This individual, he's doing it 500 times. 500 times. That is quite a lot. Get 500 times 200. How much do you get? I hope you are having your calculator right now. This is how people print money every single day in P2P arbitrage. All right, so you have just seen what is possible, how you can make money very easily from P2P arbitrage. Now, with this method, you don't need to start with $1 million. You can start as little as $100, $50. In case you're using rands, why not with 300 rands? You can start with that. By the way, here at Moneyfest World School, we teach you how you can safely start this and start making money very easily from P2P, from crypto generally. We have a course, by the way. We teach people on how to start working with cryptocurrencies. The course is called Crypto Investment Successful Start 2.0, and it can introduce you very slowly, step by step, into crypto and start learning how to make money from crypto. You've just seen what people are doing here. They are not joking. I wonder what you're doing. You have to start with cryptocurrencies. So make sure you subscribe to this channel if you want similar videos, like this video, and also check out our channels. We have links right below this video, links to our Telegram, links to our WhatsApp, and also our Instagram page. Go ahead, follow it, and you will see similar content. Bye-bye.